All right, Christian Rivera here, Classic Cars at Palm Beach. We're doing a walk-around video on this 2020 Cadillac Escalade. This thing's real pretty, but we're going to do this video to point out any negatives or any blemishes whatsoever on the vehicle so that any of our out-of-town buyers just don't have any surprises if they decide to go ahead and move forward with their purchase. So, that being said, we're going to start here at the front bumper. Front bumper looks real good. That's just a little dirt. Headlight looks fantastic. Grille looks excellent. And the second headlight looks real good. I see really only one little tiny chip that was touched up right there. Other than that, the rest of the hood looks fantastic. No scratches, dents, or dings there. Front fender looks excellent. No blemishes. This is just dirt. Front wheel looks great. No curb rash. And tires, I want to say, are at about 70%. Side view mirror looks great. Driver door, no scratches, dents, or dings. Running board looks perfect. Rear door on the driver's side looks excellent. That's just dirt as well. And that's dirt as well. No scratches, dents, or dings on the entire driver's side. Rear wheel on the driver's side looks great. No curb rash, matching set of tires. Rear bumper looks excellent. That's just dirt. Very clean inside here. It's fantastic. Couple little scuffs here where they may have put some things in the back, but for the most part it's in great shape. Rear quarter panel on the passenger side, no scratches, dents, or dings. Rear wheel looks great, no curb rash. Passenger side all looks excellent as well. No scratches, dents, or dings. Really just a great looking vehicle here. Glass looks excellent, no chips, no stars, no bursts, no cracks. Let's get a look inside the vehicle now. Driver door panel looks fantastic. Bose stereo system. All the buttons are in excellent condition. A real pretty suede and leather combination right here. Entrance area looks very good. Driver's seat looks excellent, little to no wear. Dashboard looks fantastic. Steering wheel looks great. There's no warning lights on the dash. You can see the mileage. There is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Passenger seat looks excellent, hardly worn. Rear seats look excellent. This does have the entertainment system as well, which you can see right there. Headliner all looks fantastic. I don't know if I mentioned it, but there is no smoke smell, no mold or mildew smell, no pet or dander smell. Let's get a look under the hood here real quick. And there you go. Super quiet, practically brand new.